This skull is obviously somebody with a pretty big wound on the side of it. They were actually able to entirely scan and redesign this skull, and then actually the piece that actually fits over top of it as well. I'm Sebastian. I'm a 3D printing technologist at RP+M. 3D printing technologists, we work with different platforms of 3D printers. Essentially what happens is companies send in prototypes of things that they have an idea for, and what we do is we use 3D printing as a tool in order to make those things come to real life. This machine is a Connex 500. The way it actually is printing right now, it is laying down a photopolymer plastic, which is originally starting out as a liquid material. It's laying down droplet by droplet. So as it's laying down those droplets of material, the UV light on the side is actually curing that material and hardening it as it's laying it down. A typical day is customers send us quotes. They have ideas for something that they want to make. What we do is we put that into some sort of CAD software and we make a file out of it, or we may do some designing or some programming, and then we send that file over to a printer if the customer places the order, and then we end up printing that part that they want made. Right now what we're looking at is a CAD file of just a phone case that I designed a long time ago. It's pretty basic, but you can actually see how everything runs through the software when it's building the tool paths and actually creating that part and breaking it down so that when it puts it into the printer, that it's actually going to build it exactly as we see it on the screen. I would say that there's definitely jobs out there. Colleges right now are starting to slowly implement additive manufacturing and 3D printing into their curriculums. There's more degrees kind of being made right now. I wouldn't say that you need a college education to get into this degree, but at the rate that this field is growing, I would definitely suggest looking for some sort of degree that could be applied in additive manufacturing, considering that it's going to get massive eventually.